money. And so yasna yedina ede bro nti so be send sika and also be transactions bia bill and na betri obeto airtime bia bia e G money and they say you should give yourself more and it's all about G money. Na mate assembly endra I was shocked and enya shocking bebre nso because Ghana no there said yet yenwa yes na sesi aye cycle na ni nyina fa eye equity savings and loans meaning say what mo nso a mo deposit e wo such financial institution no mo ya aware of the SC one more branches bia ya close yan crofo funds are locked up. In fact abantie bia na okasa over 40,000 odidwa okoba nisika nensanka akoyen sempi, and I want you to listen to them. Customers ya, wonomo eko ya, omeni etutu aka omunsem, and of course, yebetie wonomo akosem, eni die si ya, ama wonomo sikei akem. Bra Facebook in Sha 104.5. Womuni eno omukoma akosem no, are hopa.
My friend alerted us that the facility had been locked. We didn't believe her, so we went to check and it was true.
Frederick and Akos have never met. Yet, what happened to the money they entrusted to Equity Savings and Loans? For years, customers say the company maintained a visible presence through branch networks and field collectors who regularly visit. Loans Limited was incorporated in November 2011 as a private limited company operating in the finance sector. Its stated activities included micro and small business financing, consumer credit, and Susu savings schemes. The records also listed several directors and beneficial owners. The premises were locked with no visible staff presence or activity inside. Although signboards remain in place at some of the sites, there was no indication of operations on the ground. Neighbors in the area told Joy News they had not seen staff on site for weeks.
Investments na me create 3 years ni na me call because ya niama no say e wo ma ya tum prekope and ubehia ska wo de be so.
I made a 3-year investment. I hardly visit the facility, but since my arrangements were changed, I visited the place to correct it, but I found the office locked.
3 months aka ho enti o ka cha me say membla no de obeye bibia ma boy na ye obeji ska no na de abre me. Your investments my say savings wo ho and one ye de tuatu e man school fees me okura for me kuna wu enti me bua no kakra
I saved there to cater for my ward school fees. When it is time to return to school, I withdraw and settle the fees, but the current situation is placing a heavy burden on me.
We omo musika akokekemu a enei Equity Savings and Loans crisis aba omo disika koto omo ntumi ehu baabi a bank no afa baabi omo do musika akoto nafa Savings and Loans Agency no mu omo branch omo disika no koto ye no omo okwa yatum. This is what is happening. Enye strange, and I said that's not the first time I be AC. But the ban say ya. The entire na yedi eja etwiat won say there are people responsible for say ombe ensure say ye investment ye de sika koto ba bia e safe. There are people ye twa wo muka edi dwumadi ahye wo nsa say omo behwe say Ghana de hye enkosa wo hawo ya maami ya wo gina ho kase say ne ba wo university sika wako save wo no twase wo koyi bidebo akwada no enne sika no ebeka ne say ahye ohunu edientia because obi anya nadwuma eyie se de ese wo ye no oba Ghana ha. The Bank of Ghana is the sole institution responsible for licensing, regulating, and monitoring of savings and loan companies. Ewo Ghana. And you operate under the Banks and Specialized Deposit Taking Institutions Act 2016 Act 930. Na Bank of Ghana, Jeff, me pese ode eto sumame. Company in your company for. In fact, Russia Omo Incorporation was 15th November 2011. Di wonoma bomu ache kakra. But how has the monitoring been? Bank of Ghana nankasa on ensem omo de beto abonten fa wo mu hu ene omu dwumadi omu di no. Any Facebook in Sha 104.5. The Bank of Ghana is mandated to regulate, supervise, and direct the banking and credit systems to ensure the smooth operations. The first one, the paragraph now. Operation of a safe and sound banking system. The bank's mandate are enshrined in the Constitution of Ghana and the Bank of Ghana Act 2002, Act 612, as amended. Jeff, give me the next one. Functions of the Bank of Ghana. In fact, me pe V no ni VI no. Or say license, their function is to license, regulate, supervise, and direct the banking and non-banking and credit system, and to ensure the smooth operation of the financial sector. VI, promote, regulate, and supervise payment and settlement systems. This is the function of the Bank of Ghana. Omuna say nyumakuo ya yebeji yesika ne yadwane yebeyese no, they are responsible for the licensing of these institutions. Na omo supervise omo hwese omo dwumadi a omo di no nam ne kwan so pepepe ekoyie. Just give me the last one. Give me the last one. Eya too many. The VI under regulatory requirement. Mekacho said they are supposed to regulate a part of omo functions no. Now omo regulatory mandate in saying that ye bra VI na wasio. Also take prompt corrective actions to save the banking system. Take prompt corrective actions, underlined. That is the regulatory mandate and supervisory mandate of the Bank of Ghana. Some say bank yo savings and loans yo institutions now more regulated. Mube supervise you say BB besia. Mube take prompt action. Na mo correct say no to save the savings of the ordinary Ghanaian. Eye mandate. Bank of Ghana ejuma no. Na eneme kote ya Bank of Ghana said ye. Bank of Ghana probes report of frozen deposits or at equity savings and loans. You are not serious. You are not serious. Ade sie wi nkrofo sika mami cross okọ 3 months ni. Okobia wo mu ni ho, okobia wo mu ni ho. Ene ye dede ene mo betwira ato ase mu ko probe. So what monitoring were you doing? Supervisory role ben na mu play. You didn't see this coming. I showed you one of your mandates, your functions. Your regulatory function, your supervisory role, that you are supposed to take prompt action. Prompt corrective actions. So what were you doing? What now? Ama just say, amanfo sika, abantie ba kwa okasa. Just say utimi say, osinkrofo sika no akeka bomu a, office wo de koto na chese. Onie sad. They lose the money like that. Nobody cares. And krofo fa we hu. Because and in Guasienti, Obu Okrana Bihu, now a question wa confirm wakofa drew or nam one wu. Because institutions who are yen a juma yen or chasse, banks in Mediasi Kakwa, savings and loans be made that dynamo, all of them are sleeping. Obagana ha. See you a womoda institutions are no nina, womoda yuma, a banyuma, a cassiana no. I beka se CEOs no ne ye dom ko institutions ni nyina. Bank of Ghana promo musika so pa o maketua so pa aketua tetele aketua gangantoan aketua ye de so apan uhia pan be ye dua e Bank of Ghana governor. Bank of Ghana governor adwumafo omo ye adwuma o Bank of Ghana nyina wo mu esika omo je atela teacher fo mehu obi a mehu. We are teacher, we are director, we are health one director. One Bank of Ghana, me say Bank of Ghana security officer kurani pay. Unyare. Omo mu ye adwuma Bank of Ghana hospital. Ko mu pay. Bank me say Bank of Ghana ni KVIP kura. Wo mu ehwetu kura nka obehu ebo eyi ombeje because mu jisika. I'm not saying they have KVIP. I'm just using it as an example. Because these people are paid well and they are expected to deliver good services for the citizens of this country. And then yatna woman abedus afe na ukoye proof. So what monitoring? You are supposed to take prompt action. De bia yet wana savings and loans bi aba, credit one bi aba, no abeji manfo sika bedada omo anankrofo ikọ. De bia. What is the function of the Bank of Ghana? What's their functions? To monitor na yede. Adan ye ye ho sa asomai. Adan ye ye ho sa asomai. Apart from holding this founders ne womo this savings and loans equity ne buy accountable no. The department in the Bank of Ghana womo responsible for monitoring no. Sankrofo no so esemra no womu di. This is becoming too much. Obi nya na dwuma yie but ojiska. Obi enya na dwuma yie ba yetua ne ka. It's getting too much. It's becoming too much. It's getting out of hands. It's becoming too much. De bia na manfo sika koto na Nhyira bank ne dwane savings and loans ne dwane de bia yete. Adai. It's time say one more responsible the monitoring and one sector department of the Bank of Ghana no sa head no the odano no ese shas ye twetwe o maso because governor no ntimi nya ni nyina ya won krofo mo so departments bi wo Bank of Ghana wo no a etwa so mo so di wo dwuma and the other people sleeping but taking fat salaries ya bre Mami na need so hin biom. Na need so pa wo hin biom. This woman. Why ha o sanso your ba kunafo. Enu amiti kura na je say maye basa. Sami wo bi a kire so pa this woman because the why ha or fine. Ena kura boafo na. Wo tiam kura bi amfiu. Wo bia kura amfiu ne kakrawa okunafo waboaboa no. Look at what has happened. The Bank of Ghana, those monitoring, those in charge of monitoring, and your friend is say, obobe supervises institutions ni nyina, sankrofo ni nyina, ese trauma so. They failed us as a nation. They failed us. It's becoming too much. De bia bibiagu. Ti abrante we.
Na yesewu yesika ewo ha sei. I'm so almost yem fa yesika nkoto bange de tufia akromfo beba biwia enti yesu yegusu aye to susu ne kakra saa ye ton akakra e benya bia na ye de abeto but all of a sudden ye ba na ye beji yesika almost say just aye kakra so ya twen saa afede bang no nipa na no mo ba ka ye wani da so say o sika ne de omo yem fa my bad so far as a workers no wo ho a mo ya adwuma no bia need as wo say yensa be kan sika but all of a sudden no see no am say omo aye fafula ma fuli yes mo ba so o yenko na ye kakra yensa be kan sika all of a sudden customers ayi workers no see do mo close kra
abrante kafra so ma ye fufula say word na wa kan but a Bank of Ghana for no anyi wo madwuma yie menne krofo yi abefulu mu so hu because air crash no enoma air say no if they were monitoring them well they will know enunti na omo kokoyi omo sika no aka chom say o mo ntwen kakra on say abrante ne ka o so okonomo yeso omo koye ye omo say o mo ntwen kakra munyesi e kire say bibi besi eti they were planning to run sabre no say was strict monitoring which is quarterly monitoring ebia half year monitoring hwan a enke betumi ehuni ye but you guys we don't know what you do Bank of Ghana sit up na sika moje yenya asem ketwa abusia eba yes
oh yeah come on Nhyira 104.5 and more